Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to establish a shared line delegate, how to make a request and how to accept that. Sign into the NDSU Zoom web portal, give your credentials, press the login button, navigate to the phone settings tab, and then scroll down to the delegation and assistant section. Click the set link next to the assign delegation privileges to. Select the delegate from the list and click the send invite button. For example, I'm selecting Emily. After selecting the user, I would press the invite button. The request remains in a pending status until the delegate logs into the Zoom web portal and accepts or denies the request. It is important to note that sending a delegation request initiates an email, but the delegate must log into the Zoom web portal to actually accept the request. Once your request has been accepted, the delegate appears in the delegation section and you are able to select or deselect the specific actions you wish to delegate to this person. You can delegate the ability to place calls or answer calls on your behalf. When you delegate the ability to answer calls, your delegate will get the call notification for all incoming calls to your direct phone number. You can also delegate the ability to pick up the hold calls, which makes it possible for you to transfer calls back and forth. Now, I would be receiving a call from David, and as Emily is my delegate, she is able to answer the call on my behalf. I would show this to you in this video. As you could see that the David is on a call with Emily, and she is my delegate, so she can receive a call on my behalf. And I can also view the status that David and Emily are on a call. Emily is also able to transfer the call to me if the call is very important. Hello, Emily. Yeah, sure, you can transfer the call. Thank you. Hello, David. So you have seen that Emily has transferred the call to me and she has also received the call on my behalf. Similarly, Emily has also the privilege to place a call on my behalf by using the shared line. Thank you for watching the video. If you need further assistance and help, please kindly visit our website or submit a ticket for the help. Thank you.